Kusesenjalo inhlangano zepolitiki eziningi zikwamukele ukubotshwa kwenkhulu zalokhu yaza kwa Transnet ngamacala obukhohlakali nokukhwabanisa.
Ziyabuka inhlangano zepolitiki ngokubotshwa kwakamlife uSing nabanye.
COPE welcomes the arrest of former Transnet and Eskom executive Brian Molefe. This arrest is long overdue.
I-Democratic Alliance ithe ukubotshwa kwabo kutsho ukuthi bona bongqondo bangaphakathi kwakanochaka. Kusesenjalo i-EFF ikholele ekutheni lokho kwenzeke namhlanje into okwande kubuyiseni ithemba labantu ngokusebenza komthetho. I-Good Party nayo ingezelela iphimbe yathi ukusebenza kwephiko lezokushutshiswa komphakathi namapolisa kunye nephiko lama-Hawks buyisa ithemba lomphakathi ngokusebenza komthetho. Ngokunjalo ne-Freedom Front Plus iphefumulile.
The people of South Africa wants to see that there is progress, and this will create confidence with the public that something is done about the Zondo Commission and people who were part of corruption.
I-National Freedom Party nayo ibukile.
Our public healthcare system is collapsing. Our infrastructure has been destroyed simply because the money was stolen by individuals or groupings who have decided that on their own they are going to collapse South Africa. Therefore, as the National Freedom Party, we appreciate and welcome the arrest of these individuals.
I-ATM ithemba bona kunobufakazi obuqinileko malungana nokubotshwa kwabasolwa kuleli cala. Abasolwa sebaza kubuyela ekhotho ngenyanga uSewula.
iCope ithi ayizisoli nakancani ngokujamisa esikhundleni umengameli wehlangano yabo uMosioua Lekota. Isekela likamengameli uWillie Madisha utjele imbikiindaba eJwanisbhege namhlanje bona uLekota usaragela phambili nokulima indima embi yokuhlukanisa ihlangano yeCope phakathi. Ihlangano le iqinisekise bona unobhala zombelele wehlangano sele amnikele incwadi yokumjamisa njenganyana umthetho sisekelo weCope usitsho.
Sele kuqanqeleke ishumi elinesine leminyaka ngoku yasekwayo iCope. Ukanti ithathe isigqibo esingqinqo soba mayinqumamise umsunguli wayo uMosioua Lekota. Sekela mongameli wombutho uWillie Madisha uthi iqoqo eliphezulu lalombutho lithathe isigqibo kuba libona ngathi akanabasabana wamandla okulawula ngoku. Khala kwingxelo zike zathubeleza nalapho kuvakala kokuba uLekota ubambe inhlanganiso eFreystata ezama ukuphula phakathi lombutho. Kwaye bamthe jwaxeke ngesipilivane simnqumamisayo.
The reasons for his suspensions include 1. The role he plays in dividing Congress of the People. B. The frequent meetings he convenes to form parallel structures in COPE, which structures are made to organize and compete against each other instead of building and uniting the party.
Lombutho uthi uLekota kanandlela mbini kweloba makashenxe ngoku.
If he refuses, that will not be taken into consideration. So whether he likes it or not, he must just follow that. He can't rise and say, I'm going to contest this, maybe, at whatever level, or even beyond the borders of the organization. He must just move out until the CNC shall have moved forward to say whatever.
Akakaphenduluke uLekota kweza kuchanjeze iCope.
Ukanti ke iqoqo eliphezulu leCope kulindeleke ukuba lihlale phansi lithathe isigqibo ngelithi ingaba bethu umongameli wabo uMosioua Lekota uzakhutshwa kusini na eParlamente. Eso sigqibo ke sawuthatha kwensuku zisixhenxe sizayo. Ndingabongile Dumako kwindaba zeSABC eGauteng.